What can Gemini do? Intro. Hey everyone, a world where you have a personal assistant that can do almost anything. A digital companion that's always there to help, answer your questions, and even complete tasks for you. That's Gemini. Hook, have you ever wondered what's possible with AI? Building context. In today's fast-paced world, technology has become an integral part of our lives. From smartphones to smart homes, AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. But what if AI could do even more? What if it could become a personal assistant, a teacher, a creative partner, and so much more? Introducing Gemini. That's where Gemini comes in. Gemini is a large language model developed by Google that can understand and respond to natural language prompts in a comprehensive and informative way. It's like having a super intelligent friend who's always ready to help. Gemini's capabilities. Let's dive into some of the amazing things Gemini can do. Answering questions. Gemini can provide informative and comprehensive answers to a wide range of questions, from simple facts to complex topics. Whether you're looking for historical information, scientific explanations, or creative writing prompts, Gemini has you covered. Writing different kinds of creative content. Gemini can help you with various creative writing tasks, such as generating ideas. Need inspiration for a story, poem, or song? Gemini can provide you with unique and thought-provoking ideas. Writing different kinds of creative text formats. Whether you need a blog post, a social media caption, or a script, Gemini can help you craft engaging and effective content. Translating languages. Gemini can translate text from one language to another, making communication easier and more accessible. Summarizing text. Gemini can quickly summarize long and complex texts, making it easier to understand key points and information. Providing different perspective. Gemini can offer different perspectives on a given topic, helping you to see things from a new angle. Creating stories. Gemini can create stories based on your prompts, allowing you to explore new worlds and characters. Writing different kinds of emails. Need help writing an email? Gemini can assist you with various email formats, from formal business emails to casual messages to friends. Writing code. Gemini can write code in different programming languages, making it a valuable tool for developers and programmers. Teaching and explaining concepts. Gemini can teach you new concepts and explain complex topics in a clear and concise way. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what Gemini can do, let's look at some real-world examples. A student struggling with homework. Gemini can help the student understand complex concepts, provide additional resources, and even generate practice problems. A writer looking for inspiration. Gemini can suggest new plot ideas, develop characters, and help the writer overcome writer's block. A business owner needing marketing content. Gemini can create social media posts, write blog articles, and even draft email campaigns. Limitations and ethical considerations. While Gemini is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's not perfect. It may sometimes generate incorrect or misleading information. Additionally, there are ethical concerns to consider, such as the potential for misuse of AI. Conclusion. Gemini is a groundbreaking technology with the potential to transform the way we learn, work, and create. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating creative content. Call to action. Are you ready to experience the power of Gemini? Start exploring its capabilities today and see how it can enhance your life. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.